Ed Big Daddy Roth, a cornerstone of California's mid-century car culture, was renowned for his imaginative custom cars. In the mid-1960s, Roth shifted his creative focus from wild car-based show rods to lighter, Volkswagen-based trikes. This transition, although distancing Roth from mainstream car culture, led to the creation of the Mega Cycle in 1966-1967, an avant-garde vehicle that defied conventional design norms. The Mega Cycle, originally conceptualized by Ed Newton, was Roth's vision of a 21st-century El Camino. It featured a Buick V6 engine mounted asymmetrically on the right side, with a motorcycle in the left cargo bed to balance the weight. The vehicle's design was a radical departure from typical automotive styles, blending elements of cars, motorcycles, dune buggies, and pickup trucks. Initially named Captain Pepe's Motorcycle and Zeppelin Repair, the Mega Cycle underwent a brief show tour before being traded and falling into disrepair. It was eventually sold to Jim Brucker and then Bill Harrah, before being restored by Ed and his son Darryl Roth, with the help of automotive painter Pete Santini. The Mega Cycle continued to change hands and underwent multiple restorations. In 2009, Fritz Schenk meticulously restored the Mega Cycle, addressing its unique asymmetrical frame and custom Triumph motorcycle. The vehicle was auctioned off, showcasing Roth's innovative spirit and enduring impact on custom car design. Today, the Mega Cycle is celebrated as a testament to Roth's boundary-pushing creativity and remains an iconic piece of automotive history.